Hello, good morning, friends. Good morning, children. This is Maheshwara from BH Studies. Today, we will discuss next already up to 2.4 exercise completed. Next, useful formulas. You must learn these all formulas. After that, we will start problems. Exercise 2.5. See here, algebraic identities. These identities are very important. Every student, you must learn all the identities. Okay. See here, x plus y whole square is equal to, what that means? X square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square. Already you know, in previous class also explained. Okay. Next, x square minus y square, that is like a square minus b square, like that. X plus y into x minus y. X plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. X plus y whole cube, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Or another formula is there, x square plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So here if you multiply, you will get this one. Okay, don't confuse. X minus y whole cube, what is that formula means? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. All minus symbols will come here, don't confuse. Or this one how to write means again, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Next, 8th one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What does that mean? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are all identities you must learn. These are all identities you must learn. Then only you can you can do the next exercise problems. Okay? Please make a note. Please make a note. As we will continue the exercise. You must learn compulsory these formulas. Okay, now exercise 2.5. In every Roman, nearly 4 or 5 problems like that will be there. But I will explain 1 or 2 problems for every Roman. Remaining problems you can try. See, first one, use the suitable identities to find the following products. By using the suitable identity, use suitable identity and find the following products. First one, see, solution. X plus 4 into x plus 10. This is like which identity? What is that? See, this is x same. Here, this here 4, here 10. These two numbers are different. So observe what is that formula? X plus a into x plus b. What is that formula? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the formula. This is the formula. Apply by using this formula. So now observe here, what is that? The place of x, what is that here? X is equal to what? X only. Like that. The place of a, what is that number? A is equal to 4. The place of b is equal to what? B is equal to 10. Just these values substitute in this formula. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Now see, x is equal to what? X only. X whole square plus a is equal to 4 plus b is equal to 10 into x means x only plus a is equal to 4 to b is equal to how much? 10. Now x whole square, x square plus 4 plus 10, 14. 14 into x, 14x plus 4 times are 40. That's all. That's all. That's all. Next, fifth problem see. Fifth problem, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x. Same like that only, see. Here, this one you can write. How to write this one, see. 3 minus 2x can be written as 3 plus minus 2x. We can write like this. And 3 plus 2x can be written as same 3 plus 2x only you can write. Now same like that only, x plus a into x plus b, like this formula only. X plus a, here I will write. Here I will write. See, first here x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This formula write down. Now see, what is that? X is equal to what? What is that number? Here 3 same. X is equal to 3. A is equal to what? A is equal to minus 2x. B is equal to what? B is equal to 2x. 2x. Now substitute in this formula. X square. X means 3 whole square plus a is equal to minus 2x plus b is equal to what? 2x into x means what is that? 3 plus ab is equal to, a means minus 2x into b means 2x. Okay, is equal to, now 3 whole square means how much? 9. See, minus 2x plus 2x, how much? 0. 0 into 3, 0 only, plus 0. Now plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. What is the answer here? 9 plus 0, 9 minus 4x square. That's all. Please make a note. Next, in second round, evaluate 103 into 107 by insuitable without actual multiplication, by insuitable identity. By using identity, you can do. How to do this one? See, 100 plus 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. We can write now? Yes. See, like this only formula. This formula only have to apply. X is equal to 100, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 7. I will apply direct formula only. Okay. X square means how much? 100 whole square plus a plus b. A means how much? 3 plus b means 7 into a plus b into x. X means how much? 100 plus ab means plus ab means 3 into 7. Now 100 whole square means how much? Power 2 is there means double the zeros. Double zeros will come. 100 whole square means 100 into 100 how much? 1 by side 4 zeros will come. Plus 3 plus 7 10. 10 into 100 1000 plus 3 7 21. That is equal to how much? 10,000 plus 1,000 11,000. 11,000 plus 21 11,021. That's all. Please make a note. Okay, factorize the following using appropriate identity. By using identity, find the factors. Yes. Say first question. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So by using suitable identity, how I will write? Observe. Say 9x square, this one can be written as 3x whole square, we can write no? Square form. 9 can be written as 3 square. X square already, the square is only for x, so x whole square. So 3x whole square plus, last term you write like that first. Y square, how to write? Plus y whole square you can write. This is observe here. A square plus B square. 2AB form. Observe here 2 into A means 3x. B means how much? Y. We check 2 3 are 6. 6 into y 6. 2 3 are 6. X into y xy. 6xy. 6xy we can write like this. So now observe what is the formula like. According to which formula? Now you can under A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is the formula? A plus B whole square. Like this is the formula. Here what is that A? A is equal to how much? A is equal to 3x plus B is equal to what? Y whole square. That is equal to 3x plus y whole square means. How to write? 2 times you can write. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. These are the factors. That's all. This one see x square minus y square by 100. This one also how to write? See x square can be written as x whole square minus y square by 100. How to write? Y by 10 whole square we can write. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the after written, right? Observe here. See this is a square minus a b square like formula. What is that? X square minus y square. Anything? No problem. X square minus y square. What is the formula? X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x. Here A or B anything? No problem. Okay. X square minus y square formula. X plus y into x minus y. What is the value of x here? X is equal to how much? X is equal to, here write x is equal to x. Y is equal to what? Y by 10. Just to substitute here. X plus y into x minus y. That means x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. That's all. These are the factors. That is the second row. Here see, fourth row, expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square given. Expand, we have to do expand. This is like which formula? Yes, you see x plus y plus z whole square. What is the formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the formula. X plus y plus z whole square. Otherwise a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. Also a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. You can apply anything, no problem. That is your wish. Okay. Right here, what is that? The place of x is equal to what? X is equal to x. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2y. What about z is equal to what? 4z. Just to substitute in the place of these values. X plus right x whole square plus y means 2y whole square plus z. Z means how much? 4z whole square plus 2xy. 2 into x means x only. Y means 2y. 2xy plus 2yz plus 2 into y means 2y. Z means how much? 4z plus 2zx. 2 into z means 4z. X means x only. That is equal to x whole square means x square. 2y whole square how much? 2 2s are 4. 4y square plus 4z whole square. 4 square how much? 16. Z into z square plus this one, right? 2 plus 2x, so 2 into x plus 2y. 2 2s are 4. X into y, xy plus. Again, here 2y now. 2y right there. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Y into z, yz plus. 2 4s are 8. 8 into here nothing either. 1 means 8 1s are 8. 8. Z and zx. That's all. This is the expanded form. Please make a note. Remaining questions you can do. Okay, remaining questions you can do. Please make a note. Now fifth Roman, factorize. Two questions are there. Out of two, one question I will explain. How to find? See up there. First, the light. This is the light which formula according to which formula? Observe this one. See, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square. These are all in the light square form. How to write? 2x whole square plus 9y square. How to write? 3y whole square plus 16z square. How to write? 4z whole square plus. This one you forget it. After we will decide how to write. Okay. See, observe here. A square x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. You can write like that. 2 into xy. X means how much? 2x. Y means how much? 3y. So multiply, see. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12x into y xy. Okay, this term we can write like this. Plus, I will write here 2xy, 2yz, 2 into y means 3y, z means 4z. And also one more thing here, remember, easily we can identify in this polynomial. Here two terms are minus terms are there. This is a minus term, this is a minus term. Which is a negative? In this two terms, what is the common variable? Observe. What is the common variable? Here y not there. Z is the common variable. Okay na? Z is the common variable means you can keep z term is the negative. Here minus 4z whole square is there no? This one we can write minus 4z whole square. Square of negative also positive. Yes or no? 4 4 is 16. Z into z square minus into minus plus 16 z square we can write. Okay? Don't confuse. Here first of all how to find which is the negative parent. Negative means how to identify means in the two terms what is the common variable of them. Common variable, which is the common variable? Common variable term only keep negative symbol. That's enough. So here what is that? Minus 4z you can keep. See now 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, minus 24 yz. Yes, came. Plus 2yz plus 2zx. 2 into z means how much? Minus 4z. X means what? 2x. You can check now. 2 2 is 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 16 zx minus into plus minus 1. Okay, no? Yes. This is like which formula? This is like x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to, how to write? X plus y plus z whole square reverse. Okay? This is the light factorize. You can write, this is the formula. Now here, what is the x? X means what? X means 2x plus y means 3y, z means minus 4z whole square. Here right here x is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3y, z is equal to minus 4z. Factors means you write separately. Whole square means you can write two times. Suppose 5 square, how to write? 5 into 5, like that. 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. This is the final answer. Sister Roman say, write the expanded form. How to expand? This is like which formula? A plus b whole cube. Otherwise x plus y whole cube. What is the formula? X plus y whole cube equal. What is that? X cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. You can expand like that. This is the formula. Formula remember. So what is that here? X is equal to what? X is equal to 2x. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1. Just substitute the place of x, write 2x, or place of y is equal to 1. Simplify, then you will get the answer. What is that here? X means 2x whole cube plus 3 into x square means 2x whole square. Y means 1 only plus 3 into x means 2x. Y whole square means 1 whole square plus y cube means 1 whole cube. 2x whole cube means 2 cube how much? 8. 8 into 8, x whole cube means x cube plus 2 square how much? 4. 4 3 are 12. X whole square, x square, that's the plus. 1 square how much? 1 only. 1 2 are 2. 2 3 are 6. X only plus 1 whole cube 1. This is the answer. Note down. Please make a note. Please make a note. Remaining problems you can try yourself, and all of you, suppose if you like this video, please like it and share to your friends. Subscribe our channel. Don't forget subscribe our channel. And also one more announcement. Suppose if anyone need online tuition, online tuition, if 6th class to 10th class, any subject, you can contact CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, or State Board, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Also, if necessary, you can contact me. My mobile number is, this is 9010301501. This number you can contact. Okay, 9010301501. If anyone need online tuition, you can contact. Okay, friend. Okay, children. Thank you everyone. You can inform to all your friends and everybody. Subscribe. If necessary, you can contact. Otherwise, your wish. No problem. Thank you very much.